It's quite amazing to see what can happen in 8 weeks. But Chris and I decided, let's see what can happen in 2 hours. The purpose of the pop-up is really to help bust stereotypical myths. We thought, let's do one here and see what happens at the Pasadena Senior Center.
Not all teenagers, I should say, are like obsessed with our phones, and like some of us really, really do value sage wisdom. Were you a rebellious teenager then?
Very even before.
Oh yeah, just like always rebellious through and through. So I think it's important to realize that and to foster that relationship.
Okay, here's the next one. Who has been the greatest influence in your life?
We learn from each other. We always do. You never stop learning or growing, I hope. You say, oh, now I know what you're talking about. Yeah. And then I say, oh, yeah. You can't always give back to those that have helped you. Hopefully we can pass it on. And I take my hat off to you young people. I was never as brave or aware or willing to risk doing the things that you do today.
Wow, they're so much more similar to me than I thought they would be, and it was just such a great experience to get to know these people, you know, and like to really see, like, get wisdom from them for issues that even still apply today.
So you'll get a chance to talk to every sage that's here. It's about sharing yourselves, and seekers have incredible stories too, so just enjoy your time together.
A little bit nervous. I haven't really done this before. Like I said, it's been pretty fun so far.
We're all in this life together, and we need to share and take care of each other.
Yeah, it's the myth. Wow, you've been all over the world. What kind of dog?
Oh, I have a dog. Oh, beater dogs, yeah.
Animals are such precious souls. I have a cat. See my cat?
You've shared some really incredible pieces of your life.
The stories that you told me about you and your sister made me think about how out of touch I've been with my own sister and brother. Your stories of how your poetry has touched people has made me more determined to continue writing for more than myself, but to make other people happy too.
Because we never know that we would enjoy an experience of talking to a perfect stranger.
It's just so cool to get to know someone of a different generation because they have so much to share.
I'm hoping to be able to share in this whole thing called community.
I was so fascinated by your zeal for life and your never-ending ambition. You were such an amazing person to talk to and so spiritual. Thank you so much for spending the time to let me get to know you. I will never forget our conversation.
Wow, I've overheard so many interesting conversations. So thank you all. I really appreciate it.
It's really special what you're doing.
Thank you.
Really special.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad.
Very needed.
Yeah, I think so too. And that's really what we're hoping, is that we can all get sort of guidance as we go on in our lives. Even people in their 80s need guidance. The 8-week, oof, you're going to shine. It's going to be great. Good.
Well, thank you all for being here.
Oh, no, thank you.
And I enjoyed your sages, too.
Oh, I know.